Hello, good evening po sa lahat all over the world, mga katauhan. Ngayon, ipakita ko sa inyo ang prepare ko para pang breakfast ko bukas. Ito na ang aking at saka ang aking ito Frosties. Ayan. Ito ang prepare ko na cereal. Ayan, ang Kellogg's Frosties cereal. Tapos ito ang aking fresh milk, non-fat milk. Ayan, non-fat milk, high calcium. Ayan, ang aking chia seeds. Ayan, chia seeds. At saka ang aking kahati na lang kasi inaapat ko yung isa. Ano ko siya pang-apat. Tapos ito na, isang bananang medium size. Medium ba to or small? Tapos may avocado akong kalahati din kasi naano ko na kanina. Nag-ano kasi ako kanina, nag-mix na ano ako ano ba 'yun? What iwan ko. Basta nag-ano ko ng mga fruit niya, durian, banana, avocado, at saka apple, yung inano ko kanina ba, blend. Ayan. At saka ito yung yun, ayan. ito yung ano itong ano ko na, blend ko na durian. Ito yung kagabi na inutin ko, marami yun. Kinain ng bunsoy ko, puro malalaki pa naman, mga 4 o 5 siguro yun na ano, liso. Akala niya siguro, tinira ko sa kanya. Hindi naman, kaya bilihan daw ko ni Dad bukas. Ayan. Kasi panghalo ko yun sa pang-breakfast ko eh. Ayan na lang. Ayan na lang. Ito panghalo ko. Ano ko lang. I-half ko. Yung half. Ano ko. I-mix ko. Ayan, kaya mag-prepare ako. Antay lang kayo pag matapos ko na pag-slice sa mga fruit. Wait lang kayo sa akin ha. Yan na. Start na po ako. 2 ganito lang. Dalawa kasi dala na pang merienda ko pagka bukas panghapon kasi bukas ng umaga breakfast ko, tapos magtira ako para pang merienda ko pagka hapon, mga hapon 3 PM to 4. Saka isang ganitong isang kutsara chia seeds. Ayan. Ayan. Saka yung avocado na half. Ayan. Bigas. Itong liso niya. Ano ko na siya kasi ano naman siya
At this moment, the wedding of
sinog
Sanji
na
and
masyado,
Queen is
kaya hindi
taking
ko na
place.
siya
Meanwhile,
in-slice.
Luffy's group has planned to disrupt the wedding
Ano ko
ceremony
lang siya,
and assassinate Big Mom. But Kataku foresaw the
mas ko
future,
lang siya dito
so
sa ano,
he attempted to assassinate
pag-fix ko na
Sanji.
lahat.
Unexpectedly, he managed to dodge. Suddenly, a multitude of Luffy clones emerged from within the cave. It turns out this was Luffy's plan, to have Brûlé transform various animals into him. Seeing his cave collapsing, Big Mom began to angrily scream,
Mag-slice ako
"Where are
na.
you, Straw Hat?" Luffy, surprisingly, Kataku
Dalawahin ko
recaptured
siya.
him because he
Hatiin
had
ko
seen
na.
Luffy intending to shatter the picture of Mother Karma. When he was about to deal with Luffy, Jinbei swiftly rushed in to rescue him, leaving Big Mom astonished as she inquired, "What are you doing,
Tapos i-slice
Jinbei?"
ko.
Jinbei replied, "I will leave your crew and officially join the Straw Hat crew." Big Mom said, "Then you must leave half of your lifespan with me." Turns out, that's the price for leaving her crew. So Jinbei agreed. Big Mom immediately released her conqueror's hockey and utilized her Big Mom's eldest
Saka si
son.
Banana.
Now, Sanji's father realized that the children he had taken pride in had no
Parang small
emotions,
size o
and
medium
he had been
size lang.
tricked by Big Mom into acquiring the biological weapons of Germa 66. Beiji noticed that Kataku Ri had headed towards Luffy, so Beiji stepped in to block him, allowing Luffy to
Kakulang siya
continue the
ng,
plan to assassinate Big Mom.
Tapos,
Beiji pulled out his gun and attacked Kataku Ri, while Luffy was trying to run towards Big Mom. Suddenly, Oven, Big Mom's fourth son, intercepted Luffy, so Brook stood up to hinder him and help Fortress Can launched an attack
May
to
ano pa
assist
pala ako,
Luffy's group in escaping inside. As for Caesar,
watermelon.
intercepted
Ayan,
by
mag-slice ako ng
Kataku Ri
konti.
to reclaim Brûlée from their hands. At this moment, only Nami's group remained outside. Nami's entire group had been captured by Big Mom's children. Sanji realized that the situation was dire, so he immediately signaled his father and siblings to come to their rescue. Germa 66 then swung into action, and they all transformed, much like the Power Rangers. This enabled them to not only possess super speed, and also possess tremendous strength, causing Perospero to realize that this was the technology they sought. He then attempted to attack them, so he was punched by Ichi and sent flying. Niji promptly rushed to save Chopper. Yanji effortlessly pinned down the genie to rescue Karen. Reiju rushed forward and delivered a kick to free Nami.
Tapos,
Finally,
itong,
Sanji and the
ito
entire
ang
group
ilagay ko
immediately
yung
ran
na-blend
into
ko
the
na yung
fortress.
hindi pa. Bukas na
Realizing
lang
that
kasi.
Big Mom still hadn't regained
Dagdagan ko
her
to bukas
consciousness,
para ma-blend ko.
Beiji rushed straight to
Ito lang muna
crush her,
yung na-blend
but
ko na hatiin.
unexpectedly, he was stopped by
Hatiin ko lang ito.
Perospero and Kataku Ri, rendering his fortress unable
Yan,
to
no?
move anymore. At this moment, they were all surrounded inside the fortress. Beiji realized the plan had failed, so they all had to find a way to escape immediately. Meanwhile, Big Mom had also regained her composure, recognizing that Beiji had betrayed her, which left her
Yan
infuriated.
yung durian na
Continuously pounding
blended.
on the
Ayan.
fortress. Beiji inside was also
Bukas.
injured. Even though Chiffon
Anuhin
stepped
ko na lang.
forward to ask her to stop, she didn't care and was determined to capture Luffy and the others. When Luffy
Tapos,
was about
lagyan
to
ko ito
confront her,
ng
so Chopper promptly intervened to block him. Suddenly, Beiji mentioned that they still had a chance to survive by having him transform back to normal, so that Caesar could take him
Lagyan ko
away,
siya ng
instantly making Caesar
display na
frightened out of his wits. At this moment,
fresh,
Sanji's father asked again,
fresh milk.
"Why did you save us?" It turned out that since he was young, Sanji had always been regarded by him as a failed product. So Sanji deeply resented him. Sanji said, "You're not my father, so never appear in front of me again." Then he promised not to interfere in Sanji's life anymore. So, Jetch decided to leave with Sanji's siblings, hindering Big Mom and aiding the group's escape. Seeing that everything was ready,
Kain ko bukas.
Beiji immediately
Kanikinsan
retreated to the fortress and
Okay.
transformed back to normal to
Tagay
face
ko ano
Big
yung
Mom.
mga...
As the group had just
Yay!
exited,
Thank
they were
you.
continuously fired upon.
Ito na.
Germa 66 intervened to assist them. They followed the planned Mom, in anger, attacked Reiju with
Done.
flames, causing her to fall back.
Yan na, dan.
Meanwhile,
Tapos
Ichi
na,
remained
tapos ilagay ko
unconcerned,
siya sa rep.
mentioning that the weak would be
Magdamag.
eliminated,
Tapos,
as
yan
they
ang
had no
breakfast ko
emotions
bukas.
whatsoever.
Yan,
On the
dito
other
na
hand,
lang po.
Luffy
Bye, bye,
wanted
bye.
to
Love
save
you.
Reiju. At this moment,
Babel,
as Big
at
Mom
saka
was about to
good
use Zeus to
night.
attack